Good morning, fourth grade. Happy Friday. Knock out all your work on Friday like you would a normal school day. Normal school day. Keep thinking to yourself, normal school day. Today we're going to take a benchmark test. It's actually benchmark 40. You can go ahead and put your name at the top of that. I'm going to read you the problems, maybe give you a couple hints. What I'd like you to do is show work. You make yourself your own box on the side for all these problems. That's where you do your work if you need any work for them, okay? So you're going to have some boxes on the side. Show your work. All right, school starts at 8:30, but Chad wants to arrive 15 minutes early. If the walk to school takes 20 minutes, at what time should he leave? So it takes 20 minutes, so you're going to get 20 minutes away from this. And he wants to be there 15 early, so you're going to subtract 15 minutes also for this. Remember, when you borrow an hour, you borrow 60 minutes. All right, show your work here. And then when you get the answer, it should come up to be one of these four. And then put your answer right there. The improper fraction of 10/3 equals. Top goes in, bottom goes out. Remember, when you get your answer, you're going to pick a letter. There's going to be a letter that goes in front. 3. At the school bake sale, Dupree purchased a brownie for $1.05, a lemon bar for 89 cents, and 2 cookies for 45 cents each. Remember, 2 cookies here, 45 cents each. What's a reasonable estimate? So you're going to round those. Round them, add them, and then you come up with one of these, and then your letter goes in front. Go ahead and round them over here, and then add them. Number 4, name the shaded portion of this square as a decimal number. All right, so you're going to count this up. Looks like it's something out of tenths, and then you're going to think about, is it 3/10, 4/10, 7/10, or 10/10? Answer goes over here. And then the last one. For problem 5 and 6, refer to quadrilateral A, B, C, D. The parallel segments are, so which two are parallel? Show me parallel. All right, and then you're going to find, is it these two, is it these two, these two, or these two? Feel free to draw in here if you have to see which ones you think are parallel to begin with. All right, you can use that same shape here for 6. 6 says, the acute angle, A, B, C, or D. Which one of these, A, B, C, D, which angle is acute? All right, that was 6. 7. You probably need a formula for this one. What is the area of the room that's 12 feet long and 12 feet wide? Don't forget to show your work in the work box. Number 8. Ben is 63 inches tall, and his younger brother Will is 56 inches tall. How much taller is Ben? Here's your work box. Once you solve that, pick one of these, letter in front. Subtraction problem here. I think you can handle that one on your own. Remember to line up the decimal points. Number 10. Hudson Middle School held the theater performance. There were 125 people at the dress rehearsal on Thursday. On Friday, there were 280 people watching the play. Then 175 watched the play on Saturday night. Estimate the total number of people. So you got 3 different days, 3 different numbers. Estimate them, round them, and then is it going to be 550, 650, 6, or 700 once you estimate those? One and 12 thousandths. Ones, tens, hundreds, tenths, hundredths, thousandths. 1 and 12 thousandths. All right, big old subtraction problem here. I think you can do that one all by yourself. For number 12. Number 13. Big old multiplication problem. Show all your work over here in the work box. Number 14, a big old division problem. You can handle that. Show your work in the work box. When we multiply fractions, we multiply. Don't forget to show your work over there. 16. Pete's running trail is 2.5 kilometers long. How many meters long is Pete's running trail? That one's pretty easy. Meters. Kilometers. Kilo. We know what that means. Meters, kilometers. Show your work to figure that out. Janelle can run about 4-mile trail with her father in about 36 minutes. About how long does it take her to run 1 mile? In other words, 36 divided by 4. 18, you're going to take a whole minus 5/7. Remember what our denominator says. It says, pick me, pick me. Number 19, if 4/7 of the students are boys, then what fraction of the students are girls? What's the opposite of 4/7? Or 4/7 plus what sevenths equals 1 whole? $20. The perimeter of this square is, so you gotta check this out in millimeters. Goes to right here. How many millimeters is that? Whatever this side is, then this side is. And then this side is, then this side is, because it's a square. And if you figure out how much that is, you're going to add up all the sides. And you're going to be kind of mad because you're going to be like, oh, Mr. Bauer, it's a big number, and they only got small numbers in millimeters. Remember, millimeters, centimeters, divided by 10. I'll give you a big hint. It's one of these two in centimeters. After you have that all added up in millimeters, change it to centimeters. All right, Aaron, Parker, and Denisha will evenly divide 10 cases of fruit juice. Aaron 1, Parker 2, Denisha 3. So you're really going to take 10 and divide that by 3. Don't forget about showing your work. Number 22, use compatible numbers to estimate the sum of all these numbers here. So compatible numbers to estimate those. And take a look, it looks like you're going to be 24, 2450, 25, or 2350. That might help you once you estimate those. Alright, 23 says, which number is greater? Is greatest? I like to call them dollars and cents. $3.08, $38, $0, and 30 cents and 8 mil, or $308. The biggest one is what you're looking for. 24, big old division problem. You can handle that one on your own. And 25, last but not least, Jose bought 6 pencils for 60 cents each and a package of dividers for $1.19. How much did he spend altogether? So you got one problem up here where you got to find out how much the pencils are going to cost, and then you're going to have to add them to the dividers. And once you do that in your workbox, it should be one of these, and then the letter goes in front. All right, go back and check. Do you have work in your workboxes? And is all of your answers a letter in front? So don't tell me 7/10 here. You got to tell me the letter for the answer out in front. All right, guys, that's math for today. Take your time. Do a great job. Rewind the video if you need to. Have a blessed day.